Hey everyone, another dog walk, AI talk. Hey listen, all those white collar jobs that we all do, in the next few years, most of them aren't gonna exist. And if they do, you're gonna be behind the eight ball. I mean, the CEO from Ford and Anthropic are already talking about these white collar jobs being non-existent in the next couple of years. So what I would recommend right now is find out what areas of your business are those white collar jobs, right? People sitting behind the computer, sending emails, sending reports, doing invoicing, things like this that you are currently doing manually. All those can be replaced by AI. If you don't know how, let's reach out, talk to someone like us that can really help you understand how to take full advantage of AI and automation. There's no reason why you should be talking to a consultant right now because this industry is blowing up. And honestly, you have to understand how to use AI and automation to your advantage. So if you want more information, DM me. We'll send you some information just to help you out. You can go wherever you want to, but the information that we share will probably save you decades, well, for sure years, of investigation yourself, because we have done thousands of projects, conversations. We have gone through the hurdles, so you don't have to. Reach out to us and we'll show you how. So for another dog walk, AI talk, this is Wilton. Have a great day and God bless.